Hey guys, welcome to Tech Chef. I'm TJ and this video picks up right from the previous one. Today I will be setting up the Qnap TS431P NAS. I have decided to break this up in steps. For one, no one likes to watch a 30-minute video about things you already know. So you can skip that. Get to the parts you really are interested in and spend the rest of the time checking out my other videos. Right off the bat, I want to talk about the drive config you can achieve with this unit and what I personally plan to use. There are 4 bays, so you could populate it with one hard drive to start and increase capacity as you need, or you could fill it up from the get-go. I decided to pick this up. Let's move the NAS off to the side. I picked up 4 hard drives. The plan was to get some sort of future-proofing implemented, so I did not go with the original plan of 3TB drives. I went with 4 4TB hard drives. Please note, these are the Iron Wolf variant from Seagate, specifically designed for NAS operations. I have heard horror stories from people who skimp on quality hard drives, or worse, buy the wrong hard drive type for the intended purpose. I highly recommend you do not do that if you value your data. Let's move on to the next step. Taking a look at the instruction manual, it is straightforward. First, unlock the drive bays by pulling on the lower part of the tab like so. And here is the drive bay. Let's move these to the side. Here are the items you will need for the install: the pack of screws, Ethernet cable, power brick, and screwdriver. Here is the different mounting options you have, whether you use a 2.5-inch hard drive or a 3.5-inch. Looking at the bracket, it has it clearly labeled which mounting holes you need to use. First, I'm going to open each hard drive. I'm going to speed it up from here. Now onto the install. I'm going to use this to place the hard drives on to protect it from static during the install. Now there's no other way you can install this except this way, as there's no other mounting holes. The pack of screws are 4 per drive. Let's get the correct size bit. Okay, this looks good. Let's go in for a closer shot. Now line up the screw, secure it, and do not over tighten. Let's speed it up from here. Okay guys, let's bring it all back and I'll show you how to install this next. Welcome back. Next we will install this in the NAS. You want the latch side towards the bottom. Slide the hard drive in carefully and then lock it down. Let's complete it. And there you go. We have completed the hardware part of the NAS. Next thing would be to connect the power and Ethernet cable to your network. Let's lower the camera so you get a better view. It was quite kind of Qnap to provide 2 Ethernet cables in this package. This NAS has a cool feature where you can basically double the network throughput, but I have not decided yet if I will use it or not. I do have the capacity and I am curious of the speed benefit. Why don't you guys let me know in the comments below if you are interested in a setup like that? I might do a video. Next, we need to power it on. This is the power button. Okay, we have some lights. That's always a good sign. Guys, thanks for watching part 1. Hope you enjoyed this video. In part 2, we will be looking at testing the hard drives, so stay tuned. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you will be notified when I release new content. Also, let me know in the comments below if you have a NAS and what brand it is.